the weekend, guys. Hi, I am the AfroGirl, and welcome to MX Breakz, where I give you all the updates in the world of lifestyle, in the world of entertainment in Ghana and across the world. We start off with actually some sad news now. Ghanaian rapper and actor Andy Niakrashi, also known as OJ Blaq, has passed on to glory. Now, this happened yesterday, August 17th, and he was 40 years old. It will be recalled that he was diagnosed in 2021 with kidney disease, which he attributed to his past lifestyle choices involving binge drinking and smoking. He underwent dialysis treatment and was awaiting a kidney transplant when the unfortunate event happened. The news of his passing was confirmed by family and close friends of the rapper. However, the cause of his death is yet to be revealed. May his soul rest in perfect peace. Now, I know we started with, some sad news, but let's move on to happier times. Now, Davido has announced the remix of his hit song, Unavailable, of his Timeless album. The remix features popular American rapper Latto, and it will be released later today. So, yeah, keep an eye out for that. Confirming the news, Davido took to his Twitter handle to share a video of himself with Latto recreating their writing process. And of course, we have that video, so let's check it out. We cannot wait to actually see that video. And again, I don't know, Latto, is she the right choice? Then again, let's watch the video, let's listen to the song, and then we jump to conclusions. But moving on, but still in Nigeria, in a recent video shared online, Tiwa Savage has been seen on stage telling women that they should be with men who can keep up with their financial level. According to her, it is nice when a woman has her own money, but the man should be able to match her in terms of financial energy. Yeah. She also made mention of the fact that even if the man can match her financially, there's still a chance that he might hurt her emotionally. And so, isn't it better for you to cry with your Christian Dior, your Birkin, and your private jet to Dubai? Well, we have her video. Let's check it out. Better to cry with your Christian Dior, and your Birkin bag. I mean, I think she has said what we have to hear. It's okay. She didn't say go and do runs. She said that you have to have your money, but also the men should match up financially. You understand? Yeah. Guys, moving on to our last, and it's quite an interesting story. Naira Marley paid a courtesy visit to the Nigerian National Drug Law Enforcement Agency's national headquarters, where he was received by the agency's chairman. In a video posted on their social media account, Naira Marley admonished his fans to abstain from drugs. His public support for the agency comes as a surprise, as he has previously recorded himself smoking on his social media, and he has also sung about marijuana on several occasions. We have the videos. Let's see it.
Well, my people, you know what it is. It's a boy Naira Marley. I would like to urge my fans, the Malians, and all the Nigerian youths to stop doing drugs, because it's not good for your well-being. Let's all stop substance abuse in any form. I've keyed into this campaign to support NDLA to stop drugs on the street. Please join us It's really not good. It makes you go back into crime.
Stop drugs. It's really not good. It makes you go back into crime. It's really the way he's reading, he's reading what he's saying. And the fact that they've edited the video so that as it's overlapping, you will not see that he's actually reading, but you can tell that he's reading because he's obviously holding his phone and the mic and all. Guys, stop drugs. And on that note, happy weekend, guys. That's about it for MX Breakz with me, the AfroGirl. Don't forget to follow us on all our social media platforms at MX24GH. I'm out.